Hey guys, I'm trying to do a comparison video between the Creative Outlier Gold and the Outlier Edge V3. I think I bought this Outlier Gold about 2 years ago and this V3 a few months ago, right? I think the accessories for both are the same, but let's see what's the difference. The V3 has a larger casing, as you can see over here. The length is the same. The size is slightly bigger for V3. It's heavier as well. I've lost one of my right side earpiece. Okay. The Gold has a physical button over here, but the Air 3 is a touch sensitive button. See the difference? Not much has changed except for the button and also slight design refinement in the earpiece. Overall, I think the Air 3 feels better in the ears. The Outlier 3, because of this protruding portion over here, it kind of causes some irritation when I had it in my ear for too long. But the V3 works well currently. So I have been using V3 for a few times. The sound quality is almost the same. I can't really tell the difference, but it works well. Alright, this is just a simple comparison video. Hope you like it. Okay, see you next time.